Hi, welcome back. This is the third video in my NeatTools demonstration series. You'll recognize this. This is the program we created in the second video. Just to recap, every 500 milliseconds here, this timer object sends a pulse to the accumulator, which, depending on whether it's on or off, based on this switch up here, it will increment this integer object by 1. Now, let's say you didn't want it to increment by 1. Let's say you wanted it to increment by 2. The way you would do this is with the math objects, which oddly enough are in the digital logic section rather than the math toolbox. But so for this we will need the multiplication module, and in the display toolbox another integer module. So what I want to do is right click on the integer module, and under label, if you double click on it, I want to set that to 2. And you have to use the numbers along the top of the keyboard. For some reason it does not like the number pad, at least on my computer. So set that to 2 and exit. And now the way the multiplication module works is it will take all of the inputs on the left hand side and multiply them by each other, and then output the result on the right. So I want the output of the accumulator object, and I want the output of this integer module, which in this case will always be feeding a 2. So essentially this will be multiplying the results of the accumulator by 2 each time. And then I want the output from the multiplication object to the integer. So now when I turn it on, you can see the value that the accumulator is sending is always being multiplied by 2. You can see the result over here in the box. Now obviously you can have it do whatever sort of math function you want. You could have it count up by a particular number. You could have it essentially do anything you could imagine mathematically, and have it come out on that particular module. And that's about it. Hope you enjoyed that, and see you soon.